Hello guys. Today I am going to show you the Python, how to count the variable, how to create the program on Python, and it will count the variables, how many variables you are using in the program. So let's start. I am writing on the notepad because it will be easy for you. So uh, once you will open your program, Python, you have to write there. Okay, so sentence, this is the variable and we are putting the input, enter the sentence. Don't forget to put the inverted commas because as you know, in inverted commas whatever we write it comes the same in any of the programming language. So input, that's mean it will ask you when you will run your program whatever you write. So inside input, whatever you can write in, it's a case sensitive, it's capital or small because you are writing in inverted commas. Okay, so the first thing you will write all these sentence. In sentence is the variable input. Input, as you know, once you will run your program from F5 or from the program, so whatever you write there, it will ask you, suppose what's your name, enter the sentence, because we are writing enter the sentence because we have to count the variables, how many variables we are using in the program. Okay, now string is equal to, because it will be number, so you can see the preview, enter the sentence, suppose hello welcome. Okay, see, hello welcome, it's coming, it will print as it is. Okay, now a string is the variable, a string we are using because but it will be the numbers because we have to count the numbers of the variables. Sentence, it was the variable. Dot lower means this is the case, which case we are using. Then print a string, whatever will be in the string, because whatever you will write enter the sentence, whatever you will write the sentence, it will go inside the string and it will be the number, that's why we took a string. Okay, now print a string. When we will print a string, so that means whatever we write, we input the sentence, it will come in a string and a string will print all these things. Count is equal to 0. We are starting from 0, and from 0 it can be list 1, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. As you know in the English, these are the variables. Now we are using the loop for character in a string. Character, this is the function in the Python. Now inside the loop we are using the condition here. If character in list 1, count is equal to count plus 1, means it will add one number whatever you write the sentence. So how many sentence, it will add one by one. So if character is in list, count is equal to count plus 1, then print number vowels in given sentence